My name is
Putting waste in its place doesn't necessarily mean the garbage can. A breakfast meeting held earlier this week outlined some successful strategies to improve diversion. The discussion was organized by the Niagara Sustainability Initiative.
In your mind, what's the first step in putting waste in its place?
In my mind, I would say behavioral changes, just because there are, especially from today, they really highlighted how much more we could reduce or divert organics from waste, and organics is easy. It's really just a matter of taking that extra step. Other low-hanging fruit, I think, would be procurement, taking a minute to look over where you're sourcing things from, putting that extra effort to put green procurement policies into your RFPs, especially when you're talking about big groups like hospitals and educational institutions.
According to Catherine Habermill, the future of waste pickup and recycling will change when the province passes Bill 151, otherwise known as the Waste-Free Ontario Act.
It's a high-level enabling legislation that creates the framework to make the responsibility of managing end-of-life material or end-of-life management of products and packaging onto the producer. So what does that mean? Currently in Ontario, the taxpayer pays 50% of the Blue Box program. The municipalities provide the service. Under the new framework, essentially the municipality may not provide the service of collection and processing recyclables. It may be the producer through a private sector company that provides that service. It also means that the taxpayer may not be paying 50% of that program anymore. The producer will be responsible for 100% of the cost to manage that material.
Victoria Borzowski was part of the concerted effort at St. Joe's Hospital in Hamilton to reduce waste. She says that earlier attempts at progress stalled due to a lack of formal authority. Once that hurdle was cleared, St. Joe's saw their diversion rates rise.
So the specific challenges for us, we have a number of waste streams, and really we need to make all of our staff members experts in the waste that we have in order to ensure that they're going to be sorting those wastes appropriately. So we did a lot of education to overcome that. So really trying to do away with misnomers and with misinformation and really continue to send the same consistent message over and over and over and over again.
When you finally got the buy-in that you needed, you made up a lot of ground quick.
We did.
Are early successes important?
Early successes are very important. That's part of building your legitimacy. Early successes both from the environmental side and from the fiscal side. So it was so important that we weren't only reducing or increasing our waste diversion, reducing our landfill, but also saving money at the same time. We needed to show both from a business perspective.
So we want to hear from you. Please contact
The
us
NSI is a
if you have any questions about
nonprofit
what goes
group,
on.
and they are
We,
looking for new
through our
members
events,
and
which we hold
volunteers to
monthly,
continue to
we
advance
aim to educate
environmental
and provide resources
and economic performance in the region. For more information,
So
visit them
please welcome
online.
Catherine with me.
In Niagara, you're watching The Source.